Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos. A very special one, guys. It's another beautiful day which God have granted us. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking my video. So in case you're new here, subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support your boy Hello Baby Official. At least I can hit 8,000 subscriber. So far so good, guys. I think I'm remaining with only around 140 subscriber, and maybe these videos could go viral, and then I hit 8k subscriber. So guys, on these videos I'm shooting around at home. This is my dad's home, that's my grandma home, and over there we see the house coming with a white iron sheet. That's my great grandma home. So right now she's no longer on this world, and I want to say my soul rest in peace. So guys, direct to the point, on my pocket here I have this liquid soap. It's smelling good. It's written down fresh scent. So when you mix with water, it's written fight sweet odor 24 hours right there. So the reason why I bought this liquid, I want to clean our pit latrine or outside toilet. So it's a kind in a total mess, not like that much, because we have our young kids. My young sister came with some kids playing here, jumping inside there, excusing themselves. So I need, to clean, nothing to worry about that. So for my new subscriber, if you're joining these videos and you don't know where I'm coming from, this came from a humble family, and I'm so grateful to be born and raised on this family. So before that, guys, also on these videos, I want to talk with my engineer, because right now I want to make some cleaners, and then I'm still waiting him, guys. Wow, look, that's how mother feed the chick. Anyway, let me say hello to my mama, guys, before I go there. Mama, okay, Kanyora.
Hello.
You good?
I am fine.
So mama, today I will help you to clean.
Hi.
Okay. I'm telling my mama. That's my African mom. So I'm telling her today I want to help you, some wax here and there, right, left, center, So to clean up. And guys, you are really amazing, and you mean the world to me, Having such kind of this, structure in our village. Back here, man, we just believe having such a kind of this structure, it's only the rich people. But as long as you go hard on dream, and then you chase a dream every day, man, you can build. And I'm just prove you guys, in case you watch these videos for the very first time, I'm the guy who came from nothing, like somewhere else. I'm the guy who coming from nothing to something. Working at Dave Junior's construction as a handman, and I gain a lot from him. He advised me like, hey, hello baby, if you get money, what you going to do with that money? I told him, if I get money, I want to build my African mom home. So even if it could do you guys buying a land or having a land, the first priority is to build a toilet, and then to build to construct a borehole, and let me show you guys. If you are new here, I want to show you, when I'm saying I mean things on the ground here. This is the borehole here. We normally fetch water, and this borehole, man, it's really cost me around $800. So I dig, and then we get water, we cemented. When I went to Mombasa, I think in the month of May, when I came back home, it really disappointed me. My borehole collapsed, and then my mama didn't fetch water. have a lot of soil inside, but we manage it, man, because the more I go on expensive stuff, the more things stay here permanent. So right now we fetch water. So I'm trying to saying this, guys. If you buy a land or if you have a land, the first thing that we're going to do is to build a toilet. Whether it's 2 doors, 1 door, it depends the size that you want. And also next thing is to looking for water, the way you can get water. So right now, guys, I'm going to build my mama dream house in Africa, Kenya, to precise, Nyabuhansi village to the world. So we need to have water, and also my method, we need to excuse in the toilet, and also maybe exchanging the clothes, things like that. So man, let me go this way, let me go that way. I want to clean up because even in the house we're remaining with one painter, the maroon one. Mama, ochimba bana bari ntu keno ba kora kino nta utun. Roji. So some kids playing here, and then smear some mud, guys, I don't want these things, But anyway, when I get money, I think around 20 USD, I'll repaint again the blue one. But the maroon one, the paint remaining inside the house. So I want to do quick and fast to use that paint. Look how these kids making my toilet looking something else, man. I don't want these things, Look, by yourself. Me, I'm the guy who love kids, but maybe they want to mess with my property. I had to say no, Look, they have been playing here, and having kids, it's a blessing, So it's my sister's friends, and I love, my sister to have kids around our home. That's blessing. So guys, I'm taking you inside. That's how my video starts. It's not my normal day, like starting with some cleanness, but a little bit I want to help my mama. You see, guys, so this is the situation. Look, I thought the kids playing inside here. Look, so right now the tires are not in a good condition, So today that's my work, to wipe the wall and then cleaning, Also the toilets, they are being playing, excusing themselves inside here. But yeah, it's a normal situation. Controlling African kids, sometimes it's very difficult. Even to control an African man or women, it's very, very difficult, guys. So far so good. Let's do, guys. Let's do. So when I'm around at home, I normally help my mama because full time mama, she was going through a lot to the farm. Sometime cooking food, I will prepare for us some meal every day. So when I'm around at home, I need to take control on some activity, So let's do it. Maybe first I want to start by fetching water and then sweeping, and then from that I'll start from inside, cleaning the wall, coming outside, things like that. I don't know where I'm going to place my camera, but anyway, let's flow the vibe. And guys, remember to subscribe to my channel. This is your boy Hello Baby Official. And in case you have my memory since day one, go and click my first video. Me, I'm just sending you for free. Go and click my first video on YouTube, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then you realize, oh, this young man, they really came from far. And it's by God's grace, my life have been transformed, slowly, step by step, no pressure, So no matter what's happened, I need to face the challenge, and that's how things goes. So let's fetch water, guys. Here, let's fetch water here. I'm shooting these videos, but I don't know, maybe this my last video will take me to 8,000 subscriber. I don't know guys. So let me bring the bucket and you'll see me fetching water there guys, so stay tuned. So guys, this is the buckets right here, and I'm gonna fetch water right now. So I don't know where I'm going to fix my camera where people can see me fetching water. I think right here is the best. So what do you think guys? Floyd vibe guys. Yeah my people, flow with vibe. You see me clear guys? Oh my god, I don't know. Let me risk my camera putting here, putting there. Risk for life. And I don't want to risk my camera guys. I'm looking the best place. I think right there. Yeah, right there you can see me guys. Swag one man. So it's time to fetch water. Abikisema kino. Wana se haruna batay.
Choma. Tevi aso wa.
Waki gorokon.
Kongo.
Senko bomoka.
Ai.
Yeah. Tero ko camera hato chumbare. Na hamara ba magu chingiti. Usenko no ga kwatem. Mara yo mubos.
Ndio anko kama handi tari amara. Tibo ogiringa ikirega kwamera. Ase batatu arenge ayo anembura ya to manche ga guika.
Mama manche ngano. Ucha mara bagara ngoka. Bona ne ga kuruera. Tokuma mpaka mwisho.
Tiga go pomoka. Mara baga nga kami ku.
Ngo wako haratuka.
Kata ko haratuka. Usane mbura ya to hande mara bagara nkuyanda gutebinga garamba manche ga guika ga yunchura.
Tiga wakayo.
Hande aso hari batatu. Muyo nendi beno. Ora muyo na kupetiu. Sinindi berenge. Asa warengera yo animbura yato manchiga ikeho kwa bayareta kidogo.
Usataka na wao tonya.
Tanto la mancha no bisukuma.
Ndio. Yani kwa maul kabsahani. Wagwan guys, I was having conversation with my mama. And I took no ramasenti wiki. Baratora makaraba tiga hikigoro. Yeah. Batako nani likunikira no ba cruise. Man, we have a lot of water inside here, like crazy. I'm telling you. No joke here. Hey. Guys, keep watching my videos till the end and don't skip ads, guys. You know, that's the best way you can support your boy. Hello, baby. Man, we have a lot of water here. It's by God's grace, man. I'm telling you. For this far, it's by God's grace. Boom. Yeah. I don't know, guys. I don't know if you can see me clear. You know. So I'm back. You know, I was fetching water here. And maybe, you know, I don't have camera, man. Sometime I'm just fighting by my own, you know, holding camera here. Oh my god, this is what you see. If maybe it could be back here, it's, you know, to go is to go up to the river. Okay guys, stay tuned. You know, more videos are coming. You see me how I'm working here like crazy. Alright, I've already put the solid powder soap, so I need to do like this. And I want to start by cleaning up the wall inside, and then I come outside. So I put this for smelling, you know. Oh my god. That is it. So this one here, it's for cleaning the wall. So people will ask me, hello baby, what's up? You know, I'm starting from there, coming this way, guys. You know, maybe let's see how they goes. I think there. Okay guys, you wanna see me cleaning? Let me bring the this dressing. You know, I'm alone, so I need to struggle. You know, at least nowadays, guys, we have something, you know, where you can okay, oh my god, just risk my camera like that. Whew. But anyway, so guys, to start by the wall, you know, now today is on Thursday, and majority of people, or like my brother went to school, so I'm around here with my mom. Also my brother, he went to the farm, so yeah. At least right now, guys, you see what I'm doing. Yeah. We love cleanness, guys, for sure. We need to stay in a good environment, you know. Not like shagala bagala environment. So there is a liquid form for they have been selling in a hardware for cleaning the tiles, to wipe them and then the tiles remaining white. That one I'll look for it later. That's my work for today. And then as we keep waiting my engineer, I decide to do some a little bit work. No. Okay guys, I will show you at the end of the result how things go. Maybe each and every room, guys, you know. For now, let me work here. Okay guys, I'm in on the second room on this private toilet. And also guys, we just clean, even we wipe the mosquito wipe, you know, on the ceiling board, and then things remaining clean, you know. Yeah, I love cleanliness, man, you know. I don't want any jokes around the matter of cleanliness, you know. Yeah, we love cleanliness for sure. We love cleanliness. Okay guys, I'm still rolling my camera, you know. I've already wiped the wall. So what's remaining is the ceiling board and this sink here, guys. You know. Oh my god, it's because of dust. But I don't know, maybe guys in future, maybe in future, not now guys. You know, we're supposed to connect with water from the back and then you press the button. Water's going to... So I just put in case, you know, but I didn't know, guys. When I knew earlier, I supposed to do the plumbing. So the work is to connect water. But I can do plumbing outside the wall, around, and then, you know, it's only making a hole and then pipe passing. But that one, maybe later, not now, guys. Or maybe I'll just work for my mama inside. This one, it's remaining the way it is, you know. Oh my god. Cleanness is what we call cleanness. I finish here is to go to my mama room, you know. Guys, sorry for the rotation of the camera. Sorry, guys. Today I decided, before I meet with my engineer, it's a purely thorough cleaning, guys. You know, no job. Anyways, we shall meet on the next room, guys. Whew. Even I feel so tired. So this one here, I need to fix it right here, like that, because of the tissue paper. You know, I want it to get water. Anyway, guys, keep it watching these videos, keep it locked. More amazing videos coming, guys. You know, we're just waiting engineer with you guys. Alright, guys, I'm coming at the end of this place, so I finish up by washing the sandals, and then when it's remaining, you know, dry up, people will be able to use it inside here. So for me, I want to step. Look, right now it's purely clean, so I lock it here. So for those, maybe maybe they need keys, they will come and, you know, pick from our safety place. So for now, just close it. At least right now it's smelling different. You know, look, going up to that way. So man, yeah, I feel so good. Even I see mama washing small round right there, washing some clothes, you know. Yeah, I feel good, man. So at least even right now somebody can put food here. Even me, for example, here I can eat food because we are in a good condition, you know. Imagine I just come here in the morning, man. You know, I just found things are not in good position. I said, what? Because, man, like for those people who are using these, you know, toilets, they don't know about my struggle, you know. They just using like But if they could know about my struggle, how I'm struggling, even getting one box of tiles like this, or like these tiles here, all one door, God who only knows, you know. Yeah. So far so good. Right now, everything is super clean, fantastic. You know, I do a fantastic job. You know, ever. You know, sometime I did with my brother, but today I did personally. You know, even since morning, guys, I haven't taken lunch or my breakfast. You know, so yeah, because right now my mom, I think she have already prepared lunch and breakfast. You know, sometimes we do a combination of breakfast and lunch, because when I eat strong breakfast, there's no need, you know, of eating twice again. Yeah, this is what I call a day. This is what I call a day. A day. You know. Fantastic job. Okay. Even guys, you can prove by your own on camera. You see, man, at least right now you see the color of tiles. And for those kids who are playing with my sister here, I'll give them a warning. You know, when I'm saying guys, when I'm saying this, they're supposed to take instruction. You know, so right now, I wanna go to see my mom on the other side. And then there's the remaining powder soap and also the soap just smelling good. I'll give her. Oh my god. Let me give my mama. The uncle at home. Omo means solid soap. Sometimes I speak vernacular language with my mama. You know? Yeah, this one here, after they wash clothes, they put maybe 3 drops, and then the clothes start smelling good. Yeah. Wow. I don't know if my premier again will get these videos in good time, but I'm not sure. I know chabu chirne boni singepa. Ah, tele mukebe. You know achabuch. Yeah. So I told my mama, because I see her washing clothes for my sister. Kwanta raine ngebo school. Tiba kuringa. Eh? This is my sister's school uniform. So I told my mama, just use that the perfume soap, you know. So guys, this is a tricky situation. You see a cock stepping on look eh? Boom. Anyway guys, we shall meet maybe I'm taking my breakfast and then I meet my engineer, because man, I working so hard inside there, fetching water, taking there, going look for the soap in the market, coming back. So at least right now, even my mama, she was going there, she can feel comfortable, you know. That's what my mama did, washing clothes. And guys, most of you you try to advise Melo, baby, please make something which help mama didn't bend, you know. So guys, we shall see on the next vlog. Stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, so right now it's another fantastic morning, and I want to meet with my engineer right now as we speak, because I was waiting him since 3 days ago. So I want to check him, and then we put things together. You know, I'm around at home, and that's how my video starts. This is my grandma hands here. We have cock, we have broilers and rares for those laying eggs, for the meat. This one here. So this is what I'm calling home for my new subscriber, and I need to change home, man. I need to change home, you know, brick by brick, step by step. So although right now I receive negative comment, positive comment, but I don't care about negative comment. No time with that, you know. So me, I'm just, you know, do my own thing. Also, this muram, it's supposed to transfer to other side. We have another right there. So guys, let me go and see my engineer, and then we discuss how things go. Hey, look. One day when you came to my village, when things change, you guys know these videos, it's a memory, you know, by itself. Let's Richie. Hey. Niko nawe nimepiga kazi. Niambie. Mali shinda kunani kubomoa.
Hiyo. Sinaona mnaichoma inaenda.
Sio imekwamia hapa.
Hapa inaweza ikatoka.
Sasa tutapiga distance, tutafikisha nyumba hapa. Sasa itakuwa kubwa sana.
Itakuwa kubwa sana.
Hivi. Tuache allowance hapa, anasema sijui barabara. Niambie.
Na kwenda huku itaishia wapi?
Sitabomoa hapo kidogo.
Eti kidogo.
Hizi sio nyumba ni kubwa.
Hapo unataka nyumba kwanza, unataka nyumba ya vyoo ya chumba ngapi?
Vitatu.
Iwe na nini ndani na nini?
Choo. Jikoni. So guys, that's my engineer. And then even I'll ask him of the cost price to build the house from the foundation up top. Awani kina mikoba ulikuwa na bomoa ina manipao. Tukachoma. Wanasema eti msingi ikipita juu.
Na msingi hata ukipima hapo unapita.
Unajenga vizuri. Okay. Mimi nataka kubomoa.
Kuna hizi utachagua moja.
Asi hata utaona riti iko sawa.
Kuna hii. Sasa kulingana na eneo. Kulingana na eneo. Na nyumba isije ikawa ni kubwa sana hapo. Baadaye ukafika katikati ikasimama.
Ikakuwa masindi.
Hii ina chumba 3. Ina chumba hii. Hii ni master. Na hii na hii. Na hizi zina choo.
Ina balkoni mbili. Mbele na nyuma.
Hizi za nyuma. Hii ya jiko, hapa ni jikoni, hapa dining, hapa ni veranda ya nyuma, hii ni ya mbele. Mbele nyumba yako unataka iangalie wapi?
Huko.
Angalia huko. Kwa hiyo jikoni kutakuwa ni huko.
Hapa ni.
Sasa hauna nafasi kwamba utajenga ukuta.
Tukijenga tuna hii nafasi inatosha Richi. Mimi kitu nilikuwa nataka tuseme yenye mtu atakuwa anapita. Juu pale patakuwa kama sehemu itakuwa ni pana. Hapa patakuja kuchongwa tu vizuri. Sasa ndio uone kiasi ya barabara useme utafika huko.
Na hiyo lakini kwa eneo lako hii ni kubwa.
Gani?
Hii.
Si utapunguza.
Tofautiana.
Si unajua kupunguza vipimo.
Punguza nyumba.
Siko unaweza pewa plani kubwa afu upunguze nyumba. Hiyo plani. Ni yenyewe lakini upunguza kama ni meters.
Inawezekana. Nimeleta ramani 3 na kuna hii. Sasa hii ni nzuri sana lakini ni kubwa. Kwa hili eneo la hapa haingii.
Bedroom 3.
Ni bedroom 3. Lakini design yake ni nzuri.
Mbele ni wapi?
Mbele ni hapa. Ni
pochi lake la mbele.
Ni hili. haya madude haya.
Hapa haionyeshi.
Hapa. Kwa hapa ni hapa.
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 Siko sawa. Ukipunguza.
Kosa hapana. Hii uwezo kuipunguza. Hata ukipunguza. Hata ukipunguza itakuwa kubwa. Sasa nipe ratiba yako.
Ni hapa mbele shingapi kwa msingi hadi kwa rent. Unajua. Guys, I'm just asking the price. I want to know.
Sasa.
Na uniambie Theo utakuwa tunafanya tu kisiku unalipa watu. Ndio nisiumie sana.
Mimi naona nikisema kwamba tuuziane
itakuwa
au lakini kusema ukweli au utaweza?
Sitaweza. Na unajua ugumu nilio nao.
Unaona hii nyumba. Hii nyumba hii ndio nimeimaliza juzi tu hapo Mabera. Hii. Nimeimaliza mpaka kwa Alinda.
Mabati miangapi?
Itaingia mabati 180.
Oi, jengo ipunguze Richi. Sikuna vile utapunguza vipimo. Wewe ni engineer.
Nitapunguza lakini sijui itatoka inavyotakiwa.
Ngoni stock.
Nyumba unapoipunguza jenga hii ndio itaingia kwenye eneo lako. Au hii tuipunguze hii.
Na haina roofing yake.
Roofing yake ipo, sini hizi. Lakini natakiwa nyumba ikiezekwa isiwekwe vitu hivi.
Staki, labda ziwe tu hivi lakini
inakuja inachoma hapo. Lakini itakiwa kuweka vimbao.
Si ndio iwe kama hii.
Hiyo kama hiyo. Haitakiwi kwa hivyo. Hii ina fireplace ndani, lakini hizo ni mambo ya kishamba.
Atuweki si inakuwa tu hivyo venye hii unaitoa.
Sasa hiyo nyumba tumeijengea 4,500,000.
Najua.
Wewe sasa
najua hapa nitakuwa naumia.
Kama wewe unaweza au utapata 3,500,000.
Siwezi pata Richi. Wewe tu unanifanyia kidei. Tunajua mimi mtu wako nilikuwa mkono tu sema ngoja tu nimsaidie. Siku moja ujenge historia useme nisaidiaga mtu Kenya alikuwa mtu wangu mkono ana nyumba leo ijenga. Unaona? Sasa siku moja vitu ikiwa vizuri taka sehemu tunyonye vitu.
Naona nyonyaga.
Si nyonyi, si unaweza nyonya.
Sasa unaona? Mimi nikawa nasema tutajenga msingi, tutafanya kazi yote kwa day. Ndio hutaumia. Lakini ukisema tukuziane,
hata kama katikati hapo nikipata soda, naomba Richi.
Wewe utaona utakachoona. Sitaki ni kuweke, unajua kuna mtu anakuchanganya hapo anasema wewe tufanye hivi, fanye hivi itawezekana. Mwisho wa siku unaumia na au inashindikana. Sasa mimi najua kwamba ukishaanza kujenga kuna mambo mengine yanajitokeza. Umeshaanza already, lakini kuna material inatakiwa hapo imepungua. Inabidi ununue. Sasa kama mtu hajakwambia ukweli, unakuta umejenga msingi umeishia pale haujamaliza wewe unasema nimeishia.
Na mawe vipi yatatosha?
Ni gari ngapi?
Zilikuwa 6. Hiyo sasa kuna vile nilitumia kujenga tanki. Kuna mawe mengine sehemu nyingine niambiwa nichukue gari.
Leta mawe. Leta gari nyingine. Lakini si pabaya hapo.
Yesu unaona vile uliniambia mimi nimeondoa maudongo.
Hii nyumba yote inabomolewa hii. Yote.
Si yote. Halafu na hapo hii maudongo sasa unajua ndani walipiga plasta. Unaona? So ikianguka mtu atakuwa anapima msingi atakuwa anachota na yaka kati afu yashindilie ndani.
Ni sawa. Hai yatasaidia
kushinda. Jubadi yoni jitakuwa ni gharama tena kuiondoa.
Na kitu nilichokuwa nakuuliza kwamba hii kazi yako unategemea iko lini, unataka ianze lini? Kwa sababu mimi unajua sijengagi na watu hao Wanyabwansa kina Jofle. Na vijana wangu ambao wanajengaga.
Si ndio maana mimi nimekuambia hivi kazi ni lakini watu wa mkono.
Sasa hivi watu wa mkono
watakuwa mtu.
Sasa hivi
tajiri. Lolo. Na jamaa bila na tumbo.
Upo?
Hichi.
Bado upo? Au badiliki. Dokta. Mambo vipi?
Hapo mkeko kubuana.
Yeah.
Hapo ni mkeko.
Embus kamera ya mzee ndani.
No, ni mkeko.
Okay guys, I'm still talking with my engineer right now. So guys, we try to discuss. Yeah? The paracha. Tambo nkwanya pacha kuti ukenda kwa. Hapo ndo upana wa sitting.
Hapana.
Sasa tuone, tutaki kwenda. Unajua anga pale kuna nyumba ya baba. Hapo sema ni hapa, si ndio?
Ndio yanzia hapa.
Sema ni hapa kwa sababu
Haya njoo. Unaona hapa? Hapa mita 10. Mita 10. Lakini hiyo nyumba inakuwa inapaka nyingine mita 4 kwenda kule. Hii namba inakuonyesha hapo ni mita kuna 13 kwenda hivi. Alafu kwenda hivi mita 11. Hiyo ndio inaweza kuingia.
uwanja ndo huko.
Uwanja. Au ujenge pale ulipokuwa unasema.
Wapi?
Nyuma pale.
Shida ni hapo. Shida ni hapo.
Hapa kwa nini?
Sawa, hizi hama tu ni barabara. Si unaelewa mambo na vimera.
Sio kwamba unakuwa umehama. Si unakuwa already ndani hapo. Si ulisema ulikuwa siku ile ulikuwa unasema kwamba unaweza kaweka kwenye hiyo miti.
Yangu.
Yako.
Hii tunaweza ipunguza. Mimi hata ingekuwa niwezekana ningejenga bedroom 2.
Ukitaka hata bedroom 2 nitakudesignia.
Sasa shida ni acha tuwe 3.
Unajua 2 na ukishajenga umejenga. Yaani ukishajenga 2 itakuwa 2. Yaani unaweza ukaona kujenga inasumbua. So unaona.
Hii bedroom 2 itakuwa na mabati ngapi?
Kama huyo bedroom 2 inakuwa na mabati kidogo. Ukiwa na bedroom 2 inakuwa na ikawa na sitting room, ikawa na dining, ikawa na jiko ndani. Master bedroom ni self. Lakini jenga 3. 3 ila kupunguza.
Si kaka uonja kako sawa richo. Unajua hadi huko ni pakubwa.
Wewe unasema ni kako sawa, lakini ukishaanza kuweka nyumba hii kidogo.
Sasa niambie. Naweza kuwa na elfu ngapi ni pambane. Kuna mtu aliniuliza
wakati wa kujenga msingi na nini
mpaka tufikishe renta tupige hizo madei. Uone kama itakuwa wiki 1 ama wiki 2.
Pesa inabidi uwe unakimbilia kwenye laki. Mimi nakwambia.
Okay.
Lakini ukisema kwamba uuziane na mtu
utachemka. Laki.
Na zalamani ungeanza kunipa tu mdogo. Kulipa credit kama viatu vya
usijali rich.
Lamani utanipa ngapi?
Yaani ngapi?
Ni unajua. Yaani lamani.
Lipa mdogo.
Lamani. Lamani nitakupa.
So guys, mom, it's 100,000 Kenyan shillings, you know, to start the house from foundation up to the rental.
Inabidi unipe 10,000.
Ramani. Yeah, I know. Because you sit down, you sketch the plan, and then you need to be paid.
Yani hapo itabidi
tena kwa na mai sasa wakati nisikumia video kwa nzito. Lakini ramani ni nzuri.
Kuna watu wa county walikuja pale. Hao wanaokamataga wanaojenga manyumba. Walivyoingia wakasema hii ramani ni nzuri.
Hata tairi chikona kwako kweli umejenga barabarani. Hii sehemu yote kweli, hii yote hadi hapo. Because I'm trying, you know. Hadi hapa kweli hapo. Sasa mimi ndio watakuri barabara yote.
Wewe unajenga nyumba kama si mbona unaona pale ukiingia
Duvesco.
Duvesco hapo. Kabla hujapanda juu, hapo barabara kanaingia huko. Ulishawahi kutembelea huko barabara ukaenda huko mbele?
Si ni kadogo.
Si ni kadogo, hata nyumba zimebana lakini barabara inapita. Ukishajenga, kabla wakija wakalima kabla hujajenga.
Alafu unajua akipitisha maybe jembe hapa vile mtaro, utaujenga na mawe. Sasa akitoka hapa akifika hapa, anavuka. Anavuta michanga kwa analeta huko anaenda.
Yaani ukishajenga si rahisi wakabomoa. Msingi usiingie sana. Kama pale mlichimba mkaingia sana.
Si ndio maana tulivuka pale. Na nyumba itafika pale. Sitaacha sehemu ka ukuta tu.
Kwa hiyo yani ujue kama hii haitawezekana. Utanipa ramani, nitakusimamia nyumba yako, nitakupimia nyumba yako vizuri.
Ramani nitakuza tuone mwa kama yatatosha Rich. Tuone mwa kama yatatosha, kama yatoshi nione nipige mhono mkwara nifuatie mwa huko chini nilipewa gari nzima bure.
Sasa ukipewa na gari nzima, mawe usikatae mawe. Leta mawe.
Iko hadi saa hii.
Mawe yatakuwa na kazi.
Staya mbele chitoma. Hiyo umeitunza vizuri, siku ndio inakurisha. Rongo. Sasa hizi msingi pite hapa. Tuseme basi ukuta hapa. Kwani sema mtu hatapita?
Ukuta ukipita hapa.
Tuseme nyumba hapa hapa hivi mbi ubane ukuta. Kwani mtu hapiti hapa? Sasa. Kubomoa sasa ndio nitaona muziki.
Sasa inabidi ukija kubomoa. Uwe umejiandaa kabisa. Unabomoa,
inajengwa.
Unaanza kujenga. Sio unabomoa inakaa hapo. Alafu unajua kwamba utakorogea silabu juu ya msingi au?
Wewe unaonaje?
Ingekuwa vizuri lakini sasa labda mfuko kama uruhusu.
Simiti zitaenda ngapi shi?
Kama 30 na.
Okay. Mawe ndio haya. Kokoto ulivyoniambia gari mbili.
Mawe si mabaya. Lakini ongeza hiyo ambayo walikupatia. Haya mawe yatasukuma. Yanaweza yakamaliza.
Na yakabaki.
Kujaza humo ndani haiwezi kubaki.
Hiyo ya kusokota bila kuweka maudongo.
Tukifanya hiyo hayo yote yanapotea.
Hayatamaliza.
Hiyo inakula mawe. Kwa sababu inabidi upange mawe mpaka likae vizuri. Lakini unajua ile ya kuweka udongo wanaipanga hivi, sehemu inayobaki tundu wanaweka udongo yale.
Udongo iko sawa.
Udongo hauna shida. Udongo huwa ni mzuri kwa msingi. Na hapo wanataka kufiatua tofali.
Si ndo nilihamisha nikaleta hapo.
Sasa mbona uliweka hapo? Na penyewe ni kwenu?
Hapa ni share baba mdogo.
Sasa udongo kwa nini uliweka hapo?
Ningeuweka wapi hizi?
Hakugombana.
Udongo. Guys, right now I'm outside, so I was taking a little bit of my breakfast. So it's a combination of breakfast and lunch. So I've already finished with my engineer, and then inside there right now I was listening Jamaican song. So guys, we are coming at the end of these videos. I'm trying my best as I can, so God will open the door. What I believe, God will open the door for me, because other people ask me some tricky situation. For me, it's very tough to explain, to answer. But anyway, me, I just left for God. So we'll open the door for me, because the way I started, bring material back, and everything, and I'm ready to go. Even building, I'm ready to go. So let's, for those people who asking me some tricky situation or tough question, let them ask, because also you guys, you can help me, you know, going through on my comment, you will see. But me, I want to stay calm and do my own thing, you know. So for those people who asking me, the day is coming, and then you'll see, you know, the changes. See, you know, yeah, you know. So we want to trust and believe, and as long as I'm working so hard, going hard on my dream, man, dream are valid, you know, dream are valid, you know. Imagine all of these things that you see here, you know. If I could, maybe another guy who like, you know, going to pump champagne and maybe outside there with friends, coming back with 0 0. For me, I try, you know, when I get $1, $10, let me buy, you know, stones, let me buy sand, you know, let me buy ballast, you know. So that's my progress. I'm telling you, man, that's my progress, you know. That's my progress. But for the real sense, I came from far and I'm heading far. So let me step on top. Even I haven't stepped since I bought this ballast. I have stepped on top, you know. And I you know, sometimes when I'm sitting down and then, you know, thinking about my mom's house, and then you know, shooting the videos, uploading for my solid subscriber to can see outside there, and also for my new subscriber to watch outside there, you know. But other people said, why do you build your mama house without money? And me, I'm just coming on this question. I build my mama without my money, without no money. So when I bought material without no money, so right now you see material, you know. So for those people asking those questions, please come on, you know. We are all human beings, you know. Sometimes, guys, for me, to be honest, we need help, you know. There's nobody who doesn't need help. For example, maybe for example, my brother, he was in school, and then he called me, bro, I need to pay I need to pay the money for the rent, monthly rent. I didn't have money, so he needed help, you know. I told him I have it or I didn't have it, you know. They can understand. But in fact, mutuki tenicho kwa mora ko mora kurisi. So that in fact, I love the way my brother taking care, you know, himself. He rented the land, he planted the maize. You are seeing right here, another down right there, you know. He was, you know, because I told him sometime I can support you. Sometime when I didn't have, you know, anything on my pocket, you can, you know, look the alternative way how you can get, you know, some small cash which can sustain you, man. And guys, you wait. For those people asking those questions, one day I will prove them wrong. They will see my mama house coming like crazy. Look, I don't know who threw my stones, and I use a lot of money to bring this two truck here. Goes to 300 USD, and no joke, you know. No joke, guys. You know? And guys, really watching my videos, even a day when I'm going to bring this ballast home, you really watching my videos, going to the bush with the truck, and sometimes the truck stuck when I'm going to bring sand, you know. But other people don't know about my struggle, you know. When they see those things, you know, they think like I bought once. Man, it took me time, you know. And what I believe, God timing is the best. The time is coming, guys. So let me take you this way, and we see how things go. Yeah. Whew. Oh man, even I feel like I could stay on this local tree here because it has a good shade. So guys, me, I think I'll end my video here because I was working so hard, you know, and I need to relax a little bit. So let me wait, guys. When God say yes, nobody can say no. You know, when I get money anytime, I will build a house. You will see. You will see. At least right now, what I'm missing, maybe labor money. Trust me, labor money. You know, last week I bought the wheelbarrow spade. The work continued, and also this week, like yesterday, I was burning the stones and all stuff. You know, so and the starting of like cement, I have it on my store for the starting, and I know, guys, I know. Anyway, guys, I don't want to talk too much because maybe too much is poison, and I love you guys. I appreciate a million times for your full support that you are showing me since day one up to now. It's by God's grace, and I say thank you everybody. My God bless you and give you longer life, you know, outside there. And we haven't meet live, you know, we do meet on online, like on this platform. And you advise me, my son, you know, my brother, you know, like my young brother, you wanna do like this, my nephew, you wanna do like this, you know. You know, one day I just trust and believe we shall meet live. One of my subscriber, one day. I'm keep praying God give us our good health and more energy, so me I can chase my dream. At least right now, guys, when my mama settled in a good position, I could go around shooting the videos in the streets, maybe hanging a bigger bag at my back, because when I was speak here, I bought traveling bag and I have it in my house. So if you're watching my videos every day, there's a day you see me in Tanzania, I found that bag, and then boom. So I don't want maybe when I'm going to travel, when I come back home, I didn't build my parents' home, you know, things like that. So at least I build a small house, so which my mama can see and then say, oh, my son is outside there, you know, chasing his dream, and at least my family can put something on table. I need those kind of you know, answers and question, you know. So me, I'm a good guy. I just question myself, you know, what I'm missing for my family, what my family need, you know. Like I realized my young brother and sister need to go to school, needed to be educated. So at home also, they need to put something on table, you know. So I go hard on those, you know, basic need, man. So we shall meet on tomorrow's videos, guys, and I love you. So in case you meet my videos, share my link to your family, share my link to your friends, also share my link to your neighbor, and tell them, hey, subscribe to this young man, you know, from East Africa, Kenya, to precise Nyabuhanse village to the world. Although right now, you know, like I want to speak this direct, not indirect. Right now, you know, it's one person who made our village to be known to the world. It's the same. It's one person who made our village to be famous, and I think our village it's more famous than my country. Trust and believing, because everybody know about Nyabuhanse, how it looks like, and maybe one day Nyabuhanse could be on another maybe level, maybe to be another city, another like a small city where each hide a small city, you know. Man, me, like that's my vision that you know, keep in my heart, you know. One day my village could be another level, you know. So no one who could could believe like one day our village could be changing step by step, you know. And in fact, I love the way our young generation, when they, you know, when they get a chance, like getting money, they wanna start building, you know. And we are not in a competition race, you know. We just in our, you know, in our position, which maybe Hello Baby can try to make my own stuff, you know. Maybe another neighbor can try to make their own things, you know. We're not in a competition mode, but the good thing is everybody is building, you know. It's focusing how to build, you know, like building. Anyway guys, we shall meet on tomorrow's videos. Thank you so much, and may God bless you. Ending my video here. Much greeting guys, bye.